This video is about magnification, the equation of magnification, and how you can use that equation to work out either the size of an image, the size of a real object. So the equation for magnification is that the size of the magnification is the ratio between the image size and the real size. So if you divide the size of the image you observe by the size of the real object, you'll have worked out the magnification. More normally than that, you'll need to rearrange this to work out the size of a real object. Here's an example where we've got a photograph of a cell, and you can measure the photograph and see that it's 4 millimeters, and you can know that it was taken with a magnifier that multiplied by 800. So how big is the real cell? Well, if you rearrange that equation, you can get the real size of the object is the size of the image divided by the magnification. So in this case, 4 millimeters divided by the 800 times magnification gives us 0.005 millimeters, and that would be how you'd work that out. Hope that was useful, and thanks for watching.